Keeping your personal information safe when using Apple services is crucial. A simple way to add an extra layer of security is by using a virtual number for OTP verification. This means you can receive your verification codes without sharing your real phone number. Getting started with KrispCall is simple. Visit KrispCall.com to choose from a wide range of virtual phone numbers available in over 100 countries. New users receive a one free virtual number from popular locations like the US, Canada, or the UK, plus $1 credit to try the service. In this video, we will walk you through verifying your Apple account using an Australian virtual number from KrispCall. To begin, go to KrispCall.com. After signing up, specifically choose an Australian mobile number for maximum OTP delivery success. Complete the payment process to activate your Australian virtual phone number. Submit the necessary documents for verification. Open the App Store if you are an iOS user. Alternatively, you can visit appleid.apple.com. Then, click Create New Apple ID to begin. Next, create an account and enter the mobile number you received from KrispCall. After that, wait for the OTP code to arrive in your KrispCall dashboard. If you don't receive that SMS code, you can opt to receive a verification code by phone call. Once you receive the OTP, enter it into the designated field on the Apple verification screen. The successful delivery of SMS containing the OTP code for Apple account verification depends entirely on Apple's systems. KrispCall does not interfere with SMS or call delivery to your number. With a KrispCall virtual number, you can make and receive calls, send SMS, and enjoy features like call forwarding, bulk SMS, power dialing, multi-level IVR, and more. While you can select numbers from any country to receive OTPs, it's essential to choose SMS-enabled or mobile numbers. Please note that local or toll-free numbers might not be suitable for OTP verification. Contact our chat support for more information.